G'day, and welcome to this another edition of the Sage of the Dusty Page. So I backed a game a little while ago, and it's the book has finally got all the way to Australia. So let's have a look. The game is Shadow Dark. So there's the unboxing part of the deal. I haven't unsealed it, so I thought I'd just get my first impressions on what I think of the product. So they are incredibly well sealed. So I can't actually get some monster cards out, but I must have got a few monster cards. And then we have the book. It's it's a nice embossed cover. It's a good size. For those of you that are religious, it's about the size of the Bible. And yeah. So, yep, nice cover, hardbound, some magical runes and cavern artwork, and then a very Conan looking picture of a dead wizard perhaps, or king on his throne. So I think the other thing I noticed, the chapters must be all color coded, so you know where you are in the book. So yeah, it's nicely bound. Yeah, you've got your weapon types, your armor. Yeah, plenty of things that are relevant to the game up front, so easy reference. There's plenty of art. Looking at this, yeah, I'm not sure how this book's going to spread, if that makes sense, unless it's just very tightly bound, but we'll see. So yeah, you get quite a bit of an introduction, runs you through the basics of the game. You get to the characters, game, quick breakdown, looking at that. You roll your stats and you get your modifiers. Not level characters, first level characters. So you can start off at 0. Probably a good idea, if I remember this game, what I've read about it in a PDF and stuff that I got months ago. You might want to draw up a few characters, because it would be a high casualty sort of start. Yeah, and then it just takes you through the different classes: thief, priest, fighter, wizard. It's a different start. You get three first level spells off the knocker, and the game obviously kicks out at 10th level. Yep. And you obviously get some talents as you progress. So yeah, background alignment, so the standard character generation stuff, some deities or deities. We're going back to the day of titles, fighter, class titles. So if you're an acolyte or a crusader, a templar, or a squire, cavalier, knight, or if you're a Kadic, a knave, a bandit, a slayer. This is pretty cool. All random. I like tables. And you can obviously random. There you go. So 0 level character, you roll 1d4 items, and that's what you get. That'd be a different way to start the game, particularly if you didn't pick up a weapon. Yeah, no, it's 1288. What I like about this for a person my age, in their 50s, the text is nice and big. You can see it quite clearly. Yep, slow move on the experience point and advancement. And then you can just obviously generate your characters quite randomly, very randomly. And I assume that's what you use for your NPCs. Magic, yeah, you can have critical success and critical failure. So I think with magic, great reward, and if it goes wrong, a fair bit of pain. Yep, definitely. Yeah, blast radius, mishap tier 3, 4. Blast radius, take 2d6 damage. Yep, that's not going to be good at low level. Scrolls, and then you get so all the spell descriptions. A lot of these are yeah, you don't get a big range of spells, but it'll be interesting to actually play them. I really actually back this, just as I've sort of gone off Hasbro a bit. So I thought, well, instead of continuing to buy their products, I would spend my money elsewhere. So, yeah. Yep, plenty of spells. Talks about recovering, danger level, resting, interruptions. Yep, standard concepts. Stealth, sneaking, hiding, overland travel, actual hex movement, downtime, carousing. Wow. Oh, and another table. I like tables. It's obviously a bit of an example of play. Yep. Again, it's very tightly bound. Your role, the game master's role, the players, unpredictable, balanced. Yep. Yeah, how to run the game. Set a tone. Oh yeah, some DM or game master guidance. Let there be darkness. Okay. Different modes of play. Yeah, random encounters. Oh yeah, a very just a nice list of traps and hazards. Yeah. Oh yeah, random events, something happens. Yeah. Good old rumour tables. And then adventure generator. Oh, that'll be interesting to look at. Encounter tables through the different environments. Yep, urban as well. The sea, the river, the coast. Yep, well, ruins, slums, swamp. Well, they're alphabetical. They probably should have been grouped better in wilderness and then urban, but you know, it's just a quick observation. And then we get a whole range of monsters, and you can generate a monster. That's pretty interesting concept. And yep, a few guidance on that, and then you get into the different monster statistics. So, oh yeah, they're quite brief. Yeah, operates, I think, off the D20 system, looking at the armor classes. Yeah, and you get a lot of creatures. Yeah. Yeah, and a lot of them people will be familiar with, and there could be some quite odd ones as well. Oh, the old Turesque. Yeah, Vampire Spawn, Violent, Fungus. Yeah, treasure tables. Oh yeah. Items, personality, intelligent weapons, scrolls, wands, potions up. Yep. Personality for items, and then description of your magic items. So, oh, and that's the other thing. The simplicity here to draw up a character. I think you could probably literally do this in 10 minutes. Yeah. And your credits. And the third party license. Oh, yep. And there, yeah, some more tables on random encounters and so forth. So, yeah, it might take a little bit to spring back into shape. Oh, it didn't. There's a ribbon. That's pretty cool. But yeah, I just got to find a few people to get together and give this a go. But oh, thank you very much for your watching. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, shoot me some questions if you like, and I'll have a look at the game and see if there's questions about the game, and I'll do my best to research and answer them. Thank you very much. Have a great day.